Did you know that you can promote your book on Facebook and Instagram and have it show up only for people who are most likely to buy your book? That's the power of meta ads. Meta lets you run targeted ads across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and more. And for authors, it's one of the smartest ways to get your book in front of new readers without needing a massive following. In this video, we'll break down what meta ads are, how they work, and how you can run your first campaign. As an author, meta lets you reach a very specific audience based on factors like age, gender, and location, interests like what genres they like to read, and past behavior like if they've already interacted with your content before. This is the reason meta ads are great for authors, because you're not just posting into a void, you're actually reaching the people who care the most. This is what makes meta ads perfect for book promotion. You can show your ad to exactly the kind of people who might buy your book. You can adjust your spending based on your budget. Unlike organic posts that take time to reach people, ads reach people almost instantly, which makes it extremely useful during launches and promotions. And if you're launching multiple books at once, you can run separate ad campaigns for each book all at once. Meta also lets you choose where your ad shows. It can show up as a feed post, on stories, or even appear as a direct message. When you run an ad, you need to make sure that your visual is as simple and eye-catching as possible. You can include a book cover image or a short teaser video, a strong hook in your caption, and a CTA. Once your ad is live, you can track impressions, which is how many people saw it, clicks, which is how many people clicked on the link, and conversions, which is how many people pre-ordered your book or followed your page. At some point after running ads, you might notice certain trends. You might notice that reels are performing better than static posts, or your ads are overall performing better at a certain time of the day, or your audience is responding better to a specific CTA. Based on this data, you can adjust your next campaign accordingly. While we explained some basic information on how meta ads work, the process of actually running an ad campaign is extremely technical, and you definitely need professional help. At Notion Press, we have a team of expert marketers who will help you run meta ads and boost your visibility. Click the link in the description to get in touch with our publishing consultants who will explain it to you in more detail. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!